The L200 Pro Max Drone is a highly versatile and advanced UAV designed for seamless aerial photography and smooth flight experiences. Weighing only 216 g, this drone offers powerful features while remaining lightweight, allowing it to avoid aviation control requirements in most countries. Key features: 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. The L200 Pro Max has an added 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature, distinguishing it from the L200 Pro. This function automatically detects and avoids obstacles during flight, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Lightweight design. At just 216 g, the L200 Pro Max is incredibly portable, folding down to a compact size of 130 by 75 by 85 mm. It's perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who need a reliable drone that's easy to carry. EIS 2-axis anti-shake gimbal and 4K HD camera. Equipped with a 4K HD camera and an EIS 2-axis anti-shake gimbal, this drone delivers high-quality, stable images and videos. The advanced stabilization ensures smooth footage, even in dynamic conditions. Long-range control and transmission. The L200 Pro Max offers an impressive remote control range of up to 3,000 meters, with no interference or occlusion, and a 5G Wi-Fi transmission range of 1,200 meters. This allows for real-time video transmission and control over long distances. GPS-assisted flight. With GPS-assisted flight, the drone provides accurate positioning and will automatically return home when a battery is low or the signal is weak. This feature ensures you never lose your drone, no matter how far it travels. Optical flow positioning. This feature enhances indoor stability by maintaining a fixed height, making it easier to capture steady shots in indoor environments. Brushless motor. The L200 Pro Max is powered by a 1503 brushless motor, known for its durability and reliability, providing a smooth and quiet flight experience. Intelligent battery. The drone is powered by a 7.4V 1600 mAh lithium battery, offering a flight time of 20 to 25 minutes. The remote control, equipped with a 300 mAh lithium battery, can operate for up to 3 hours on a single charge. Additional features: foldable design, compact and portable. The drone's arms fold into the body for easy transportation. Gesture camera and video control. Capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures. GPS follow and pointing flight. Use GPS for automatic follow modes and preset flight paths. Zoom and optical flow positioning. Enjoy zoom functions and precise indoor positioning for stable shots. The L200 Pro Max drone combines advanced technology, ease of use, and portability, making it the perfect choice for both beginners and professional aerial photographers.